Hey guys, so we're going to continue with Unit 3 today and talk specifically about tax, tip, and discount. That's what we're going to focus on this week. Which this is probably, like I told you when we learned this the first time, the most real life thing I teach you. So that's exciting because, especially with online stuff and online shopping right now, this can be something really helpful to look at. So just a few reminders, and I would grab a piece of paper and just write these down and refresh your brain about your percentage problems for these. So remember that with tax is money paid on purchases. Tax where we live, it used to be 7%, but now it's 8%. So remember, it's price plus the price times percent tax. Now remember, when we do this, we do not put 25 if it's 25%. You have to change that percentage to a decimal when you do this equation. Okay, now if you decide that you really like the proportions better, then you could do what you don't know, the price of the tax, over the price of the total, and set that equal to the percentage over 100. And just remember, when you do that, you don't have to change this to a decimal. That is just the number. That's the actual percentage. When you do this and cross multiply and divide, don't forget to add that number back to your price. So just keep that in mind. You can do it this way, or you can do it the equation way. Either way is fine, but just remember, this one you have to change to a decimal, and when you're done with your total, you're done. This one you don't change to a decimal, but once you cross multiply and divide, you have to add that back. Okay? Tip is exactly the same way as tax, except it says tip. So you can do, remember, you're adding the tip back to your price. It's also called gratuity. But again, you can do the X over price equals percent over 100 on that one. Just add that answer back. And then there's discount, and discount is the only one that's subtracted. So you'll see it's the same equation, except you subtract it. And again, you can do the proportion with X over your price equals percent over 100, but you subtract from the price. Okay? So, again, make sure you've written those down because those are going to be used all week long. Okay? So let's actually do a few of these together. Ashley bought 2 pairs of jeans for $19.99 each. So that means 2 pairs, so each one was $19.99, and 3 shirts for $12.99 each. If she paid 7.5% tax on her purchase, how much did she pay in all? So first of all, you have to add your total together of what you bought. So that's $19.99 plus $19.99 plus $12.99 3 times. Now you could have just done $12.99 times 3. That'd be fine. I got $78.95. $78.95. Now that is the total before tax. Okay? You're doing a 7.5% sales tax. So if I'm going to do, I have to write it up here, $78.95 plus, that's my price, plus price. Y'all gotta work with me with this mouse. And then times my percent tax. Remember, I'm changing this to a decimal, so even though there is a decimal there, you still have to move it 2 times. So that's 0.075. Now, order of operations. You have to do the parentheses first. So I'm going to do 78.95 times 0.075. You're going to round to your nearest penny because remember, we're talking about numbers with money. So that's $5.92. You're going to take that and you're going to add it, because when we've done the parentheses, add it to your $78.95. And when you add $78.95 plus $5.92, you get $84.87. And that is your total. Now again, if you wanted to use proportions, that's fine. You would put X over 78.95. You would put the price there. Set that equal to 7.5 over 100. Cross multiply and divide. And take that answer and add it back. Either way is fine. I find that I like this better because it shows me here's my tax, here's my price, add them together, and we're done. Okay, let's do one with tip. So you and your family will go to Lowe's Cheese. Can't wait till we can go back to Lowe's Cheese and sit down at a table and eat for dinner. The total bill was $34.52, and you decided to leave an 18% tip. How much will your final payment be? So we'll do price. And since it's tip, we're adding that to our total. So price plus price times percent tip. So times, and we don't put 18. I'm not trying to do not $34 times 18. That's insane. Times 0.18. You want a percentage of your total. So we do order of operations. So we're going to do parentheses first. So that's $34.52 times 0.18. You're going to round to your nearest penny. So that's $6.21. That's your tip. Just that's the tip. But it wants to know the whole price. So you have to add it back to your total. So we're going to do $34.52 plus $6.21, and you get $40.73. And again, if you like proportions better, that's fine. You would put X, you'd put X over 34.52 equals 18 over 100. Again, that's fine. Just make sure you add that answer back to your total to get this. All right, we're going to do a discount one now. But this one's going to be twofold because we're going to have to add these up and then take the discount. So, Haley loves to shop for makeup. She went to her favorite store and bought eyeshadow for that's a lot of eyeshadow, $5.99, 2 bottles of nail polish for $7.50 each, and a tube of mascara for $8.50. She had a 20% discount coupon. How much was her purchase after her discount and after tax? Okay, it says after tax. It didn't give us a tax percentage, so we'll do 8% tax just like we do in Georgia. Okay, so when you do this, remember, discount has to come before tax. You don't want to be taxed on something you're not actually paying for. So the first thing you have to do is you have to add up everything to know how much your original total is going to be. So you have to look at how much you're buying everything for. So they bought eyeshadow for $5.99, 2 bottles of nail polish, that's $7.50 plus $7.50, and a tube of mascara for $8.50. Sorry guys, this is a very girly question. So that was $29.49. That's just when you add up all that you're buying. You take the discount before you do the tax. Okay, so we're going to do the discount, which is price minus price. So remember, discount takes money off times the percent discount. So that's times 20% as a decimal is 0.20. Order of operations says you do the parentheses first. So we're going to do $29.49 times 0.20. We're going to round to the nearest penny, which is going to be $5.90. That's how much off you're going to get from this. So you're going to subtract that from $29.49. Oops. So we're going to do $29.49 minus $5.90. You get $23.59. That's before tax. To get tax and to get your final total, you do price, the new price, minus $23.59 times your percent tax. 8%, you move it 2 times 0.08. 0.08. So, again, same thing. You're going to do the parentheses first. So 2359 times, times 0.08. Round it, that's $1.89. We're going to add, that's not bad, tax is adding. So we're going to add it to $23.59. That's when we have tax, you don't take it away, you add it back. So that's $23.59 plus $1.89. You get a total of $25.48. So, if this is still confusing to you, make sure I would personally rewatch the video. I would find other videos about tax tip and discount. Go back and look at your iExcels on tax tip and discount. Because this is what is, again, this is one of the most real life things we'll learn this year. So, that's what we're going to focus on this week. So, do your best, and I'll talk to you later.